Hi, I'm Jane Oak, an immigration attorney who has provided professional experience in caring legal services in Southern California for the last 18 years. The content in this video is not meant to be legal advice. I'm just sharing my personal thoughts, opinions, and observations on what is happening in the field of immigration law and what I've been seeing in my law practice. In this video, I'd like to discuss recent trends in marriage-based green cards and difficulties our clients have encountered at their interviews. Since the inauguration in January 2017, immigration officers have become much more suspicious of marriage-related green card interviews. Our clients have been asked questions we've never heard of before. In particular, officers have questioned our clients extensively about their past relationships. One note: today, a lot of what you post on social media is public information and could be accessed by ICE and used against you in your green card interviews. So be careful about what you post on social media. The marriage-related green card interviews are for the I-485 and the I-751 applications. The interview officers have become so suspicious that our office has started sending attorneys to all I-485 interviews in LA by default. My advice is to be careful about how you behave after you submit an I-485 or 751. From the very beginning, you want to take the right steps to establish the evidence you need for your application. Essentially, I tell our clients to assume that an ICE officer is parked outside their house and watching their comings and goings. For example, a couple whose application we handled owned a business together. Because their business required them to work long hours at their shop, they lived out of their car and spent very little time at their home. ICE visited their home unexpectedly and noticed that there was little evidence that they lived there, especially because the husband kept his clothes in his car. This ICE report created major problems for these clients when they attended their interview. Another client's address on their W-2 form did not match the residential address they listed on their application forms, and that raised the officer's suspicions. And another couple were living apart and contemplating divorce, but they chose to file their I-751 petition jointly. ICE was able to use one spouse's social security number to discover that she had signed a lease elsewhere and was working out of state. It's now taking a lot longer to process I-485 and 751 applications. About 1 year now for the I-485 and almost 2 years for the I-751. Please make sure that you contact an experienced immigration attorney if you're planning to get marriage-related immigration benefits, so that you know how to set yourself up for success when you reach your interview.